Hey everybody, it's Brad at Dayport Brothers LLC out in Versailles, Ohio. Going to do another walk around video followed by an operational video on this rare find of ours. A 1993 Bobcat 743B with 148 original hours. Like always, I'm going to walk around, I'm going to talk about features and functions, I'm going to get close to everything. We'll do an operational video, show it starting up, moving forward, backwards, loader up and down, bucket in and out. As always, if you are in the market for a used piece of construction equipment, a used skid steer, used tractor, used piece of farm equipment, please subscribe to the channel, like the video. Your likes and subscriptions help other people who are looking for similar things find our items, and we truly appreciate it. So this is, like I said, kind of an awesome find. If you are subscribed to the channel, you saw that we did a video a couple days ago on a KUBOTA L3710 tractor that only had 39 original hours. This skid steer came from the same place. It is basically a new old skid steer. So like I said, it's a 1993, 148 real original hours. OROPS, of course, sticks and pedals controls, pre-emissions KUBOTA diesel engine. It's got the weight kit, front auxiliary hydraulics, and as you can see, it is a beautiful machine. Exactly what you would expect for one with these hours. The tires are in very good shape. The rims are in very good shape. It's always stored inside, just like that KUBOTA tractor was. The paint is very bright. Just a few tiny little nicks here and there. Nothing you wouldn't expect on a used machine. Back here is almost no scratches. That does have, even has the weight kit up underneath the fenders above the tires and wheels on this one, as well as the weight kit in the back door, which we'll show you here in a little bit. The back door, again, the paint is very bright. It's like new. Couple tiny little scratches right there, but overall very nice. We'll take a look inside the engine compartment in a little bit. I'm actually going to lift the cab up and show you everything underneath of it too, just to show you how nice everything really is. Again, tires and rims, very good shape. Back in here behind the tires and rims, very little wear. Couple tiny little scratches right there. Again, the weight kit mounted up underneath the, or above the tires here. Of course, no cracks or welds or anything like that anywhere. The bucket is in very good shape. There's no bows or anything in the bucket. Very straight and flat cutting edge. We'll go look back here in the engine compartment. Like I said, pre-emissions KUBOTA, the beautiful old blue engine. As you can see, very dry. The paint underneath there is like new. No diesel or oil running down the block. Same thing on this side. Trying to get my camera in here the best I can. Like I said, it does have the door mounted weight kit as well as underneath or above the tires, underneath those fenders. Inside of that back tire, it still has this little rubber seal on it, which fell off on most of them. Truly beautiful machine. Close this and go up here and take a look in the operator station and then underneath of it as well. As you can tell, most of that grip tape is still there, just tiny three little spots there where it's starting to peel a little bit. This paint up here is like new. Same thing on the front of the loader arms, even down here on the back of the skid steer plate. The seat has no rips or tears. As you can tell, all the paint's really good up in here. Your park brake lever, all that grip tape's still there. Your pedals, foot pedals show almost nowhere. Even that foam padding behind the seat is like new. This was always stored inside, so it kept that all in really good shape. Lift the cab up here. As you can see, everything under here is like new as well. The paint underneath that, where the cab ROPS sit down, still really, really good there. Still has that little silver stripping on the bottom of the seat cushion there, where that mounts down. Truly one of a kind find here. All right, like I said, it's a 1993 743B, 148 original hours. It's a one owner machine. We'll get right into an operational video as soon as I get that cab folded back down.